Today I have asked the laptop, and this laptop model is, and this is the TravelMate series P214, and this is the model is N19Q7. Okay, this laptop problem is that power is not turning on. Today I'll fix this laptop. Press the power button, but power is not working. Plug in the charger. And place the power. Power is not working. Okay, today I'll fix this laptop. Let's start. Open the all screw from the button cover. Okay, this is our motherboard, and this is the cooling fan, and this one is processor, and here is one RAM. You can also use another RAM, and in here. Now check some common voltage in this laptop, and that is okay or not. Plug in the charger, and this one is the ground pin, and this inductor should be present 5 volt. Check it, and here is the present 5 volt, and I need to 3.3 volt. And let's check this here, and here is the no voltage present. This one is not 3.3 volt, and this is inductor for 3.3 volt. Let's check this, and here is 3.29 volt present. That means that volt is okay. 3.29 volt is present. That means this voltage is okay. Here is no problem. And let's open the all external accessories like RAM, hard disk, and after that check it, and open the charger. This SSD drive also. And after that I will open the CMOS battery connection and press this button for 10 seconds and keep this laptop for 1 minute, and after that I reinstall all these parts, and after that I will check this what happened. Okay, 1 minute is over. Now reinstall this, and this one is RAM. And check this what happened. Plug in and press the power button. Let's see this one. Yep, the laptop is ready, and here is some recovery mode, and you can see, and your PC could not start properly. And let's check this. Press the alter control and delete. Let's see what happened. Can be okay or not. Okay viewers, and our Windows is opening. Okay, thanks for watching.